valley in the city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by, doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slowly, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am whole again? Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all, I had a feeling but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all, I had a feeling but the feeling is all gone. It's all gone. The feeling is all gone. If I could take you back to my youth and show you what I wish I knew, my will is strong with a place to leave. In the moment I come desperate, the other ring on my wrist is gold, pairing with the light it holds. When I return from my spinning ball, I'm remembering the words you told me. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all, I had a feeling but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all, I had a feeling but the feeling is all gone. If I could take you back to my youth, just hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by, it doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart will show, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am whole again? Hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all, I had a feeling but the feeling is all gone.
Extremely awkward.
Okay, give her a go.
Are you okay?
It works.
Good.
I think I'm missing something that you could easily replace. Maybe if I asked you nice, you would give it to me. Please give it to me. I think sometimes you ain't always honest. nothing that I can't have. I needed to find another piece of mind. I think there's nothing. I think sometimes you ain't always honest. But it all falls like a domino. Oh, 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 I think I need another piece of you. Yeah, oh, I think I need another piece of it. Oh, 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 I think I need another piece of you. Oh, I think I need another piece of it. I wanted something for nothing that I could hold on to. 'Cause baby, there's nothing that I can't have. I needed to find another piece of mind. I think there's nothing. Oh, I think I need another piece of it. Oh, darling, I think I need another.
Okay, so I've never ridden one of these before. I've never even seen one in person, but we're gonna give this thing a go. I have a feeling starting on one like this with the real bumpy rollers is gonna be really hard. I think this might take a while. And yes, I am wearing a full face. I can't find my other one, so I'm extra prepared. Look out, kitty. I'm about to get wild. Oh! Oh! Oh my gosh. Oh man, I can't get my foot on quick enough. Okay. There it is. Oh shit. Oh. Holy crap. This is really Woo! It's working! That is a workout. That's so cool.
So we definitely have to make a bike-powered lathe now, right? Let me know if you'd like to see this in the comments, and thank you for watching this build. The first song in this video is The Feeling Is All Gone by Solar Sun, and the second song is Something Is Missing by me. You can find my music on Spotify under the name The Trail Builder, and I don't know where you can check out the other band stuff. But I'll tell you who you should check out. Squarespace. They sponsor a few of my latest videos, which made it possible for me to build some really incredible things, like a freaking pump track. You guys should definitely go check them out if you're considering starting up a website or getting a domain. I don't have the time to learn to code, and even if I did, there's no freaking way I'd be able to make a website as nice as the customizable templates available on Squarespace. They make it easy to create your own website, and they make it easy to run an online business with the limitless number of items you can sell using their platform. If you want to create a website or upgrade your existing one, head on over to squarespace.com for a free trial. And when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/backyardtrailbuilds to save 10% off of your first purchase of a website or domain. An extra thank you to my supporters on Patreon. You guys are incredible, and as always, I cannot thank you enough. If If you want to help support this channel, you can join me on Patreon for early videos and plans for some of the builds like the pump track or possibly this trainer if people want it. Anyway, thank you for watching and I will see you at the next build.
Show me where the end